Kisnem ba Metbah Lyngdoh ujob kumu MLA napok Kamarang constituency. House nem arajar pra uba Metbah Lyngdoh ula job nagaseng United Democratic Party kumba chipawajar drius pa sapo ar woods but uba wan ba ar hagata kapor uday uba Bolnes el nong nagaseng Indian National Congress. House nem arajar khatlai uba Metbah Lyngdoh ula job nagaseng United Democratic Party kumba khatlai hajar news pa arpun dru woods but ibawan ba ar hagata kapor ide ikong Eureka FP Lyngdoh nagaseng Indian National Congress. House nem arajar khat pra uba Metbah Lyngdoh ula job biang nagaseng United Democratic Party kumba chipawajar news pa chipaw woods but ubawan ba ar hagata kapor uday uba Councillor Singh Walang nagaseng People's Democratic Front. House nem arajar arpulai uba Metbah Lyngdoh ula job nagaseng United Democratic Party kumba khat khandai hajar dripom dri woods but ubawan ba ar uday uba batskem rinta thayang nagaseng Indian National Congress.